Hello students, in this video we are going to learn one of the important short answer question from chapter quadratic expressions. Let us see question. Find the maximum value of the function x square plus 14x plus 9 whole divided by x square plus 2x plus 3 over r. Over r means over real numbers, set of real numbers. Here x is a real number. So finding of maximum value is nothing but finding of range of this function, because range consists of both maximum value as well as minimum value. So this is the range problem. As I told you, range problems in quadratic expressions are very important. We are going to get one range problem for sure. So every range problem begin with the naming. So you have to give name it as a y, something y. Let x square plus 14x plus 9 by x square plus 2x plus 3 is equals to something y. So what is the next possible simplification here? Cross multiplication. Okay. So y into each and every term I have to multiply with y. Y into x square plus 2x into y, 2xy plus 3y equals to, we will get this one as it is, x square plus 14x plus 9. Now transposing these three terms from RHS to LHS. LHS terms as it is, 2xy plus 3y plus x square become minus x square plus 14x become minus 14x plus 9 become minus 9, that equals to 0. Now try to convert this into standard form of the quadratic equation. What is standard form of the quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. That means summation of x square terms, next x terms, next constant, like that. If you see x square terms, we have two x square terms now. So if you take x square common, we left with here y minus 1, y minus 1 into x square plus next x terms. Two x terms we have. After taking x common, we left with 2y minus 14 into x. Next constant plus 3y minus 9, that equals to 0. Now clearly it's in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So what are ABC values we will write here? Here a equals to y minus 1, b equals to 2y minus 14, c equals to 3y minus 9. Okay, let it be equation number 1. So equation 1 is a quadratic equation in terms of x, whose roots are, whose coefficients are in terms of y. What do you know about x? X is a real number. If x is real number, y is also a real number. So equation 1 will have real roots. So we have to write the reason here. Since x is real, roots of equation 1 are real. Real roots condition. What is real roots condition? Delta greater than or equals to 0. Delta discriminant greater than or equals to 0. What is delta? B square minus 4AC greater than or equals to 0. So you have ABC values now. Substitute ABC values here. So on substituting here, B 2y minus 14, 2y minus 14 whole square minus 4 into A, y minus 1 into C, 3y minus 9 greater than or equals to 0. Okay. Next we can take 2 common. Take 2 common. On taking 2 common, 2 become 2 square, because it comes from the bracket along with the whole square. So 2 square is what? 4. 4 into, after taking 2 common, we left with y minus 7 whole square minus 4 into, here we can go for multiplication, y into 3y square plus into minus minus y into 9y minus into plus minus 1 into 3y minus into minus plus 1 into 9 greater than or equals to 0. Overall we get 4 common. After taking 4 common, we left with y minus 7 whole square. Y minus 7 whole square minus of, this is 3y square. These are like terms, no? Minus 9y minus 3y become minus 12y plus 9 greater than or equals to 0. Now we can shift 4 from LHS to RHS to become 0 by 4. This is a minus b whole square formula. A square plus b square. B square is 7 square 49 minus 2ab minus 2ab minus 14y. 2ab 2 7 are 14y. Next, this minus applicable for each and every term of this bracket. Minus into plus minus 3y square minus into minus plus 12y minus into plus minus 9 greater than or equals to 0 by 4. Now y square minus 3y square minus 2y square minus 14y plus 12y minus 2y, because big number sign minus, plus 49 minus 9 become plus 40 greater than or equals to 0 by something is 0. Okay. Coefficient of y square, we have negative sign, so you must take negative common. Along with the negative sign, we can also get 2 as common term. So overall, I would like to take minus 2 common. After taking minus 2 common, y square left with y square minus taken as common, there we will get plus y. Next, plus 20 plus 40 on taking minus 2 common, it become minus 20. Minus into minus plus 2 into 20, 40 greater than or equals to 0. Now we can shift 2 from LHS to RHS to become 0 by 2. And how can we eliminate this negative sign? Multiplying on both sides by negative sign. Multiplying on both sides by negative sign leads to sign change of this inequation. Greater than or equals to become less than or equals to. Don't forget to change the sign. So how it changes as y square plus y minus 20 less than or equals to, because multiplied on both sides by negative sign. Negative into negative become positive. And what happened to 2? 2 on transposition it becomes 0 by 2, 0. So this is the inequation I got. So LHS of this inequation, it's a quadratic expression. We can go for factorization method. So if you search for factors, so coefficient of y square is 1 into constant is minus 20. 1 into minus 20, minus 20. Now after having this product, we have to think about combination. Product must be minus 20. Product of any two numbers. Product of two numbers must be minus 20. And sum must be coefficient of y 1. Sum must be plus 1. Sum should be plus 1. So what are the two numbers? Can you guess the numbers? So if I think, so I can get the combination like 5 and minus 4. So 5 into minus 4, minus 20. Do you agree? 5 into minus 4, minus 20. 5 plus minus 4, 5 minus 4, that is 1. So 5 and minus 4 are the factors. So first and last terms you have to write same. Middle term you have to express in terms of factors. Y square plus 5y minus 4y plus 5y minus 4y minus 20 less than or equals to 0. Now we can take y common, y into y plus 5. After taking y common, we left with y plus 5. We can take minus 4 common. After taking minus 4 common, we left with y. Here minus taken as common, plus remained. 20 is nothing but 4 5s are no, 4 taken as common, 5 will be remained. Overall we will get y plus 5 as the common term, y plus 5 into y minus 4 less than or equals to 0. So when I saw here less than or equal 0 symbol, I need to remind a formula. X minus alpha into x minus beta less than or equals to 0 formula. Alpha less than or equals to x less than or equals to beta. That means x value lies in between alpha and beta. So for comparison, we should have negative sign. In both the places we should have negative sign. So create here negative sign. Here already we have negative sign, no problem. But here we need to create negative sign. How can we create? Y as it is. Plus 5 can also be written as minus of minus 5. Minus into minus 5 plus 5 only, na? So that we can see negative sign here for comparison with formula. So y minus 4 as it is less than or equals to 0. Now clearly it's in the form of x minus alpha into x minus beta less than or equals to 0. Here minus 5 is alpha. Minus 5 is alpha. 4 is beta. So what I can write? Alpha less than or equals to x less than or equals to beta. Alpha. So minus 5 less than or equals to x. What is x here? Y less than or equals to beta. 4. So it indicates you y value lies in between minus 5 and 4. Y value lies in between minus 5 and 4. Means what? Minimum value of y is minus 5. Maximum value of y is 4. Y is nothing but your given function. Therefore, maximum value of given function is 4. Given function is 4. That's the answer.